thinking of drawing a cat burger today. Yeah, and I know that Sugar would love to join me because she loves cats. Sugar! Sugar! Hi! Oh, hey, do you want to draw a cat burger with me today?
Okay, sure.
Alright, come on then. Why don't you join us as well? Let's go. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start by making the cat. Okay, so we're going to make a curve over here. Okay, and now let's make the ears. We're going to make triangular shape, okay? Like this. Alright, and now the other ear. Alright, so now let's make the cheek, okay? We're going to make a curve. Yep, and another one. Okay, so now let's connect this. We're making a long curve. Alright, now let's add some eyes, okay? Let's make 2 circles as the eyes. So, I'm going to make 2 smaller circles. Good job! And I'm going to color that in. Alright, well done. Now let's add the nose and the mouth. We're going to make an upside down triangle, okay? Okay, so now let's make another triangle. That's the inside part of the ears, okay? Alright, so now let's add some whiskers. Let's make 3 lines, okay, for the whiskers on each side.
You have either poking out like this.
Oh, different kind of whiskers, that's alright. Alright, now let's draw the lettuce, okay? So, we're going to make some wavy lines, okay? Watch me. Alright, so we're going to make this all the way up until here, okay? Okay, let's do that. Alright, now let's add some tomatoes. Now we are going to make some curve over here. Okay, let's add 2 more tomatoes, okay? Okay, you only have space for 1 more? That's fine. Alright, So we're going to make another curved line inside each tomato, okay? Like this. Alright, and now it's time to add the cheese, okay? So we're going to make some straight lines over here. Alright, and now this one is a bit curved, okay? Watch this. Okay? Alright, and now another curved one to the other side. And another straight line back to the tomato. Alright, and now it's time to draw the beef patty. Okay, so let's make a curve over here. Alright, and another one, a short one over here. And let's connect them by making a long curved line.
Pero sedikit dari joget lah.
It's okay. Well done! Alright, so now let's add another lettuce underneath this, okay? So more wavy lines. Okay, and now the bottom bun. Okay, so let's make two short lines like this.
That another one.
Then let's connect them now. So we're going to add the tail like this. Alright, I think our cat burger is looking really good. And all that's left to do is just to
Color it.
yeah, let's do that. Wow, that cat burger looks so good, don't you think so?
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, I love drawing it with you. Thank you for joining me.
And thank you for teaching me, DooDee.
You're very welcome. Okay, I hope you all at home also have a great time. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can join us again next time. Anyway, keep on smiling, keep on growing.